How to fix Superbox S6 Blue TV not working. Now in this video, I'm going to show you couples of troubleshooting steps for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue. Now of course, the very main thing or the most common way of troubleshooting if your Superbox is loading on the screen or applications in it are not working, all you have to do first, unplug the main power from your Superbox S6 and then plug it out from the power source. Now leave it at least a minute and then re-plug it back in and retry to do the process again if it works or not. Now the other thing that you can do is to execute a restore or a reset option for this feature. Now at the back of your S6 Blue TV, you should be able to see this dot right here at the back. You just need to pinch in it so that the box will refresh or reset by itself, and then turn it on again and check if the issue was already been resolved. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Superbox S6 Blue TV not working.